Okay, welcome. Today I'm going to give you a glimpse behind the scenes of how we do green screen here at the Creative Video Studio. I don't know if you see this, but recently we created a post on social media, and this video clip right here I'm going to show you. So we have a shot of a projector, and then we have me spinning a DVD in the background and everything. And so what we did was, in order for me to do this, we shot myself on a green screen and removed it. So I'm going to show you how I do the editing on the green screen. So here's a clip, another clip that we're going to use. So this is just a clip of me, dancing right here in front of the green screen, as you can see. And what we have, how we have this scene set up is we have these two soft boxes here. They're just lighting the green screen, the wall behind me. And then I don't know if you can see it, but this is a stick light, and that's another stick light, and then there's a boom light that's actually lighting me. So that's how we light the scene. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how we remove all these lights and remove the green screen, and we can replace it with pretty much any background that we want. So what we want to do is we want to go to my editing program. This is After Effects. So here's the clip of me just dancing around. And then what I'm going to do is just go to the beginning of the timeline. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create what's called a mask and literally just cut everything else out that we don't need into the scene. So that cuts out all the lights and everything like that. And then I just want to kind of play this and just make sure that I don't go out of the screen. And I don't. So this is good here. So okay, we are ready to start removing the background. So I'm going to click on my video, and then I'm going to go to Effects, Keying, and this plugin called Keylight. And this is what I'm going to use to actually remove the green. So I'm going to use my little eyedropper here and get a sample of the green, and then boom. And then what I'm going to do is, now, as you can see here, it's removed a lot of the green behind me, but on the floor here, you can still see there's like shadows and stuff, and we can fine-tune that a little bit. So I'm going to go in here into the plugin and hit Screen Matte, and then we can kind of get a really good look at what's going on here. So what I want to do is I want all the green to be pure black, and then I want me to be pure white. So black is cutting things out, and white is keeping things in. So I'm going to adjust there's four things that I'm going to adjust here: screen gain and screen balance. So screen gain here is just going to make things more black, but I don't want to go too crazy with it. So just enough. And then the screen balance will make me a little bit more white. So there we go. Okay, so as you can see right here on the bottom, you can still see these shadows and everything, so we still need to get rid of that, and I'm still not completely white. I still got a little bit of shadows, so there's another thing here that's called Screen Matte, and I'm going to adjust the clip black and clip white, and this just lets me push it further than what I was able to do. So I really want to push this as far as I can. Okay, so this is looking pretty good right here. So the background and the floor is completely black, and I'm almost completely white. This is exactly what we needed here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch this back to final result. And then here we go. Here's me. And this looks pretty good. All the green looks really good. And so next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a background just to kind of really see how this looks. So I like to start off with just a solid red color, because this really shows me how the green screen keying works. And this is pretty much it. This is pretty much what we do. And there's other things I can do to kind of enhance this a little bit longer, but basically this is how I do the green screen stuff. And we can add any kind of background in here. So let's just kind of see how this looks. So let me just get some pictures. There's a little picture of a street corner, so I can just stick this behind me. And we're just going to resize and position this. And my computer's running a little bit slow because I'm dealing with 4K footage and recording at the same time. And then I could even resize. And this is me just dancing on the street corner. Well, that concludes this video. I hope hope you guys enjoyed it. This is just a brief video behind the scenes of how we do green screen here in our studio. Please like this video, share this video, let us know what you think in the comments. And if you would like for us to do some videos for your business, you can contact us through our website, createavideo.com. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.